Hey guys, this is Neeraj from thecrazyprogrammer.com. In this video, you will learn about data types in C. So let's start. Data types are used to define the type and size of variables. They are used while declaring variables or functions. In C, data types are divided into two categories: fundamental data types and derived data types. Fundamental data types are further divided into four categories: character, integer, floating, void. Floating is divided into two categories: float and double. Derived data types are divided into five categories: array, pointer, structure, enumeration, function. We will talk about derived data types in our upcoming tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about fundamental data types. Integer data type. Its size is 2 bytes or 4 bytes. It depends upon the compiler. For example, if we are using any old compiler like Turbo C, then size will be 2 bytes, and for any modern compiler like GCC, the size will be 4 bytes. Integer type of variable are used to store numeric values like 5, minus 25, 124, etc. For declaring an integer type of variable, we write int keyword and then name of the variable. Float data type. Its size is 4 bytes, its precision is 6. That means we can have 6 digits after the decimal point. Float type of variables are used to store real numbers that have decimal point. For example, 3.4 minus 225.56, etc. For declaring a float type of variable, we write float keyword and then name of the variable. Double data type. Its size is 8 bytes. Its precision is 15. That means we can have 15 digits after the decimal point. It is also used to store real numbers that have decimal point. It can be like 3.4 minus 120 minus 225.56, etc. For declaring a double type of variable, we write double keyword and then name of the variable. Character data type. Its size is 1 byte. Anything which is written inside single inverted comma is treated as character. For example, A, B, C, plus, minus, multiply, etc. For declaring for declaring a character variable, we write char keyword and then name of the variable. Void data type. Void means no value. Basically, we use void while declaring the functions. When we want our function to return no value or nothing, then we use void. For example, void sum. That means the sum function will return no value. We will discuss more about void in our upcoming tutorials when we will learn about functions. Modifiers. Modifiers are used to alter the size and range of data types. Modifiers are divided into two categories: type modifiers and sign modifiers. Type modifiers are further divided into two categories: short and long. These type modifiers can be used with data types. For example, long double A. Here the size of variable A is 10 bytes. If we have used simply double A, then the size of variable A will be 8 bytes. So here you can see, by using long, the size of variable is increased by 2 bytes, that is 10 bytes. In this way we can use long int, short int, so on. So we can use type modifiers to alter the size of the data types. Now sign modifiers. Sign modifiers are divided into two categories: signed and unsigned. Like if we have written signed int a, that means variable a can have variable a can store signed values like -1, 5, 2. It can be positive or negative. When we don't write anything before data type, then by default it is signed. For example, int a. That means by default variable a is signed. In the same way, we can use unsigned. For example, unsigned int a. That means variable a can have only unsigned values or positive values that are greater than 0. Range of data types. Range means the minimum and maximum value that a variable of a particular data type can have. We can find range of any data type by some formulas. For example, for signed variables, we can find its minimum value by the formula minus 2 to the power n minus 1, and maximum value can be obtained by the formula 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. For any unsigned variables, the minimum value is 0 and the maximum value is obtained by 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. For example, if we have any signed character variable, then its minimum value can be obtained by minus 2 to the power 7. Here we have used 7 because in the formula uh, n n is the number of bits and the size of character type of variable is is 1 byte, that is 8 bits. So according to the formula, minus 2 to the power n minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, becomes 7. So minus 2 to the power 7, after calculating it, the value will be minus 128. So minus 128 is the minimum value that a signed character variable can have. For finding maximum value, we can use the formula 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. So the value is obtained as 127. It is the maximum value that a signed character variable can store. So in this way you can find any range of any data type. Never try to remember the range of data types. There are these simple formulas that can be used to obtain the range. So we are done with our tutorial. If you have any queries, ask it in the comment section. I will try to help you. If you like this video, please share and do subscribe to my channel to get more such videos in future. Thanks for watching.